Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll show you guys where to find upstream and downstream oxygen sensor, okay, on Chevy Cruze, or if you have Chevy Sonic it should work as well. So now guys, oxygen sensor upstream is known as sensor 1 and downstream is known as sensor 2. So if you have a code and engine light on related to any of these two, we'll show you where you can expect to find them. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car guys. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, like and subscribe to the channel guys. Thank you for the support. So most of the mechanical videos guys will be on our main channel, How to Repair guys. Check it out. So looking at the engine this way now, let me explain things a little bit. You can see this is your exhaust right here, exhaust manifold, and that's where you're going to locate your oxygen sensor, usually on the exhaust manifold. The upstream oxygen sensor is the one right before the catalytic converter. And what's the purpose of that one? Okay, it reads the fuel level and oxygen level ratio, okay, in the exhaust, and it adjusts the computer to know how much fuel to spray, how much air to let in the engine, so it can run really good, efficient, and the emissions will be at their lowest levels. So this is known as the oxygen sensor 1 or upstream oxygen sensor. So this is it guys, right here. And you can see this is the connector, super simple, you press in here and you pull it out. Now what we use guys to replace those, okay, this is a special socket for oxygen sensors. You can check it out guys, we'll have it listed in the description of the video below. Okay, it goes like that, on top of the sensor, okay, and all we have to do, just use an extension and remove it, pretty simple. Now, where is the other oxygen sensor guys? The second one is known as the downstream. The downstream usually is past the catalytic converter, and the purpose of the sensor is known as detecting whether the catalytic converter is working or it's not. Now, if or if the catalytic converter doesn't work, okay, and it's going to read and tell you that it doesn't meet the efficiency levels and all that stuff. It's known as downstream oxygen sensor or sensor 2. It's not anywhere on the catalytic converter guys, on the front side. It's actually, if you come towards the back, okay, and if you look, okay, down there, okay, down there on the exhaust. So let me get the long extensions. I'm going to show you, okay, where things are now. So looking at it guys, okay, that guy, okay, right there, you can see this is your downstream oxygen sensor known as sensor 2. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you. We'll have the replacement videos as well, but just a quick informative video guys if you're stuck and don't know which one is which. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.